cube, and sphere.
Good day everyone. Today I'm going to report about circle. So circle is one of the most fundamental shape in geometry. And it appears both natural and man-made and has been studied for centuries due to its perfect symmetry and useful properties. So a circle is a round shape where all points on the edge are the same distance from the center. So this distance is the radius, and the line that goes across the circle. So the center is called a diameter. Circles have no corners or straight sides. For example, a fountain. So in the middle of the part, if the water spray in all directions equally and forms a pool around the fountain, so that pool is shaped like a circle. So the center of the fountain is the center of the circle, and the water reaches out the same distance every direction and forming the circular shape.
So now, I am going to tackle about a rectangle. So what is a rectangle? A rectangle is one of the most common and important shapes in geometry. It is a type of quadrilateral, which means it has 4 sides. As you can see, this book has 4 sides that has the rectangle. Another example is the blackboard. It also has 4 sides: the top, the bottom, the left and right sides. What makes a rectangle special? They are special because they have opposite sides that are equal and 4 right angles. Rectangles are all around us, from books, tables, blackboards. Learning about rectangles help us understand shapes, measure, space, and solve real-life problems.
So today, we're talking about cylinder. Cylinder has a traditional build with 3-dimensional solid, one of the most basic of curvilinear geometric shape. So let me introduce you a little bit of a cylinder. This PVC pipe is an example of a cylinder, a round bed object with 2 circles on each and the end have the same size. A cylinder have a 3D or 3-dimensional geometric objects with 2 parallel circular bases and connected by a curved surface.
Today we are diving into the fascinating world of solid mensuration, specifically focusing on the cube, a shape so simple yet so versatile and simplified perfectly by the iconic Rubik cube. For you, what is a cube? A cube in a purest form is a 3-dimensional solid with 6 square faces, all in equal size. Each face meets another at right angle, creating 12 edges and 8 vertices. This simple geometric perfection is what makes the cube such a fundamental shape in mathematics and engineering. The Rubik's Cube, a seemingly simple toy, beautifully demonstrates the cube's complexity. Its 6 faces, each with 9 colored squares, allows for millions of possible configurations. Its applications span various fields from architecture and design to that mathematics and recreational activities. So, next time you see a cube, remember its versatile nature and the intricate world it represents.
So what is a sphere? A sphere is a 3-dimensional shape that is perfectly round and symmetrical about to its center. It is a solid object where every point on its surface is equidistant from a fixed point, called the center. So here are some key characteristics of sphere. First is a round shape. Second is no edge or corners. A great life example of a sphere is a basketball. Just like any sphere, a basketball is round and has its all surface points the same from the distance from the center. The sphere symmetry and uniform makes it ideal for fast-paced, high-bouncing game like basketball. The ball's design and materials also takes advantage of sphere's property to provide a consistent and enjoyable playing experience.
That's the end of our topic. Thank you for listening. We hope you've learned something from it with you.
Bye!